Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 36 of building the Batmobile Tumbler. More electronics work this week. This time we're dealing with another motor. After building a Myth, that's the classic 60s car that I don't remember from the 60s, but I remember it as being in the 70s at least. So there we go. The new life of Catwoman. Yeah. Interesting. All of the not all of them. No, lots of the enemies and indeed friends are named after animals. Interestingly, so there we go. That's all of that. Step by step, more instructions. Basically, we're going to plug things together onto one cable, and then plug that cable onto the board again. It's all simple stuff, but all needs to be done. So I'm happy to do it. Then next time, basically, do the same again. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get these plugged together. Yes, so here we go. We've got our motor, or rather another motor, which has got a whole gearing section connected to it already. So that's all good to go. And as well as that, I can get that untangled a little bit. We've got two more switches. Don't know. I'm limiting switches probably for things like the motor so it knows when it gets to one side or another. They're not all going to be doors and things. And another big connecting cable. Now, interestingly, this has 4 plugs on it. We've only got 3 things to plug into it. So one of these is obviously going to be left over for the motor, maybe. I'm not entirely certain. So we've got the motor, which is 35. Goes into 35. And we've got these two, which are, we've got 37. Guessing 36 is going to be the next one. It is indeed 36. There we go. So 34 is still as yet unplugged. And this is going to continue onto our ever-growing main assembly. This is 33, which is going into that big one down there. Just like that. It's getting a bit unwieldy, the big electronic things, but, you know, it is what it is. We've just got to keep going and keep building. So, thank you very much for watching. I shall see you soon for doing more things. And soon we get to test it, but not quite yet. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.
Yeah.